I'm sure you clicked on this video because you want to study in Mumbai University in 2026 and you want to know everything about pre-registration process that have started, and that too without your result. This is for the first time that Mumbai University opened without the 12th standard result. But what all has opened, what you have to follow, what are the important updates so far, because the website has just released all this information. तो आपको अभी क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, I'll give you all the important details that you need to know. So guys, make sure that you watch the video till the end. Hi guys, welcome back to Media Mentor. If you're here on my channel for the first time, I make a lot of informative videos for students, so please do subscribe. And we have started with Mumbai colleges as well, YouTube channel and Instagram. You can follow that to get all the exclusive updates and information of Mumbai University, even for the master's admission as well and FYJC admissions as well. Now proceeding with Mumbai University admission pre-registration, as you guys can see on my screen, if you go on the official website, which is muadmission.samarth.edu. This is exclusive for UG admissions. PG and masters का मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगी. So this official ID, I have put it in my description box. आपको इसी ID पे जाना है because there are a lot of fake IDs with the slight name change. तो आपको शायद proper जो link है वो ना मिले, तो मैंने डाल रखी है. So what you have to do is just click on this link. ये पोर्टल आपका ओपन हो जाएगा. नाउ देयर इफ यू क्लिक ऑन रजिस्टर, यू कैन इजीली रजिस्टर विद योर बेसिक डॉक्यूमेंट. बट व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग टू नोटिस इज द लास्ट डेट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन इज ओपन टिल 25th of August 2026. मतलब आपका जो पूरा प्रोसेस है, जितने भी बच्चे सीईटी देने वाले हैं उनको कभी करना है वो भी मैं आपको बताऊंगी. तो जो बच्चे सीईटी दे रहे हैं वो प्री रजिस्ट्रेशन करके रखना चाहे तो कर सकते हैं, बट उनका यहाँ पे ज्यादा कुछ काम नहीं है. आपका पूरा एडमिशन जो है वो सीईटी पोर्टल से होगा. सो बेसिक रजिस्ट्रेशन जब आप करते हो यहाँ पे, यू डोंट नीड मच, यू जस्ट नीड योर एक्टिव आपार आईडी एंड द डॉक्यूमेंट लिस्ट. जो आप देख सकते हो मेरी स्क्रीन पे, डॉक्यूमेंट चेकलिस्ट में क्या मांगा है मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी ने इज द स्कैन फोटोग्राफ, स्कैन सिग्नेचर एंड एजुकेशनल डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड एक्सपीरियंस/कैटेगरी सर्टिफिकेट. नाउ ये बहुत ब्रॉड नेम्स हैं. कैटेगरी सर्टिफिकेट जैसे आपका माइनॉरिटी हो गया, आपका ओबीसी, एससी, एनटी, ये सारे जो सर्टिफिकेट्स है वो हो गए. और जैसे ही ये सारे जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स आपको कहाँ से मिलेंगे, कब अपलोड करना है, वो सारी अपडेट्स मैं आपको दे दूंगी. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट इफ एनी ऑफ यू एज अ पेरेंट वांट टू रीच आउट टू अस फॉर एडमिशन हैंड होल्डिंग, दिस इज अ QR कोड जो आप स्कैन कर सकते हो. इट्स अ पेड सर्विस. वी हैव अ टीम. आपको सिर्फ अपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स देने हैं. Our team does the whole application process for you. This is only the pre-registration process. इसके बाद आता है pre-enrolment. अभी अगर आप अंदर जाओगे registration के बाद, you will see courses के ऑप्शन अभी तक ओपन नहीं हुए हैं. कोर्सेज के ऑप्शन ओपन होते हैं, फिर हम कॉलेजेस कोर्सेज स्पेसिफिक प्री एनरोलमेंट करते हैं. उसके बाद इंडिविजुअल कॉलेज के वेबसाइट पे भी आपको कॉलेज के फॉर्म भरने पड़ते हैं, बिकॉज आपकी जो मेरिट लिस्ट है वो कॉलेज की वेबसाइट पे लगती है. सो इट्स लाइक अ 3 स्टेप प्रोसेस. अभी जो है वो रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस खुला है. लेट अस सी स्टेप बाय स्टेप कैसे करना है. आई शो यू द प्रोसेस. वंस यू सी दैट, you can at least complete your registration process on your own.
So we are here, guys. We are going to be starting the UG registration for University of Mumbai.
26 for all the courses.
As you can see on your screen,
quickly run you through as a registration process. You enter your name, your date of birth, your email ID in which you receive the official communication. You have to enter the phone number. Please remember, do not miss the phone number. Enter the phone number very correctly. And once you do that, you can set your own password, whichever you're comfortable to remember, and enter the CAPTCHA. And once you enter the CAPTCHA, you will get the registration done via OTP verification, which will be sent either on your phone or your mailbox. You enter the OTP, re-enter the CAPTCHA, and then once you submit, you get through the login. All right. So this is how the login screen looks like. So you can see account verified successfully. Please sign in. So once you get this message, you can click on login, enter your registered email ID along with the password, and then you enter the CAPTCHA and hit the login button. Right. So the moment you hit your login button, you will see the dashboard in which you can look at the complete profile button. All right. The profile status will show the current status. Right now it is incomplete, so we will click on completing the profile. So fill up the details which is asked for the respective form, which is your HSC qualification detail, name, gender, various names such as in Devanagari, Aadhaar card details, whether you are married and married, date of birth. So these are the details, guys, which you'll have to fill very carefully. So kindly pay attention. Do not make mistakes in this form. Also, a quick point, whenever you are filling this, the name has to match the exact name which is mentioned in your Aadhaar card. All right, it has to exactly match that name. So be very aware about this. So you enter all the details along with your religion as well. You enter your place of city, country, then you enter your state and the respective district. You enter your family details, your mother's name, mother's maiden name. You enter the father's name, father's details. Please enter this very correctly. As you can see in the window. Fill up all these details which is applicable, not applicable, whether you belong for PWD, whether you are a Kashmiri migrant, there is a PM special scholarship that you've been given, children or widows of armed forces, do you belong to ex-services, do you have any cultural quota? If you are a sportsman, you can click yes, no, the relevant options. And if it is a yes, in case as we see in the example, you can mention the sport and the level of football that you played or any sport that you played for matter. Yeah, you enter the correspondence details, the place we are currently living in, enter all the details perfectly fine as you can see in the demo video. Everything till your pin code has to be correct. You can click on same if it is the same as your correspondence address. Once you do that, you can save and next. So next step is going to be very crucial, guys. You have to verify all the details once. As you can see, you will verify all the details. In case of any changes, you can update the details. If not, you can just simply proceed to the next step. All right, so once we are here, we have to link your Aadhaar card or your Digilocker account to the respective login. To do that, you have to log into a Digilocker account, enter your respective PIN. Once you have logged into the Digilocker account, your name and details such as Upper ID will be pulled from there. As you could see, we are just trying to verify the Digilocker account over here. And now that we're done the same, we will be again authenticating our entire login, and from there we'll try to pull on the details such as your name or basic Aadhaar details. So now once they are successfully verified, the name matches as it is mentioned in the Aadhaar card, you can click on complete your profile. So this is the most important step wherein your account has to be verified by Digilocker. All right, so once it is completely verified, once you have your ABC credentials mentioned, only then you can click on complete your profile button. As you can see, we have linked it. Once you do complete your profile, you can fill up all the respective details which you have, any sort of illness, if you have an NCC certificate, whether you attended any NSS camp, did you get any sort of an award, are you belonging from a respective urban, semi-urban or metropolitan area, your proficiency in the various languages as you can see on the screen. Please tick whichever is relevant and then you can save and exit. Everything is fine, you can click next. This is almost the second last step wherein you will upload your photo, your signature, any relevant sports certificate or quotas which you have selected earlier have to be uploaded clearly to claim that. In case the quota that you claim and you do not have a valid proof to produce or support this, your entire quota will be cancelled and you will be treated as a general candidate student. Please note this, for demonstration purposes, we are trying to show you some sample uploads. This is just for your information and educational purposes. All right. You can click the next preview. Preview your form details one more time. This is your second last attempt to change any update or change any details which you feel are incorrect. So once you do that, you can either save the draft if you want to verify later. If everything is fine, you can just go ahead and click the submit and log button. All right. We verified twice. Everything looks nice. Then you can just go ahead and submit and log. And remember, once you click on confirm and log, you tick that everything is correct. You take the declaration and you click on confirm and log. Now over here you can see that we have created the profile successfully, but there are no programs open for selection. What that means is currently the process for selecting respective programs such as BCom, BAF, BBI, BMM, BMMC, nothing is open. So once that opens, only then you will be able to apply the programs with the respective colleges. All right. So hold on for now until the programs open up. Till then, if you want to complete this step, you can. Even if you do not complete that, you have time till
I hope guys you understood the registration process. कोई भी doubt है तो मुझे comment box में लिख के बताना. Also you can join my live sessions on Monday, Wednesday and Friday 10 p.m. on YouTube and Instagram. Also on Sundays I'll try to do live morning 12 o'clock so that you know most of the students and parents are free. You can ask me all your doubts in the live session. And if you want to get in touch with me personally for one-on-one counseling session, this is a QR code. You can just scan and book your session. I hope guys the video was informative. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.